Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share best text to speech converter software. First you will need to download Balabolka software, then install Balabolka software on your PC. Next you have to download and install voiceover files, then open Balabolka software. Copy a text to convert to MP3. Paste the text on Balabolka software. Now you have to choose voiceover. I'm going to select Julie voice. Now click on play to listen the text.
Photoshop Express gives you everything you need to quickly edit and transform images so they stand out on social and everywhere else. And with the option to add premium features, you can make advanced edits in a snap.
If you want to save the audio file, click on File, then click on Save Audio File. If you download all the file, just click on description link. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more software.